In this video, we go over a new warning in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Configuration drift can cause issues with performance, reliability, and cost money. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise now has a warning to identify if the OS disk on a session host is different from the disk selected in the autoscale policy. This can be valuable in situations where a host disk configuration has been edited or where Nerdio Manager has not been able to pre-stage the OS disk due to a Start on Connect event outside the configured disk pre-stage window. Let's see how this works by going into the autoscale policy on a host pool. The running disk specifies a 256 gigabyte premium SSD, and the stopped OS disk also specifies a premium SSD. Let's cancel and go to the session hosts. This looks good. The OS disk matches the autoscale policy. Next, let's go back and make a configuration change to autoscale on this host pool. We'll change the running disk to a 128 gigabyte standard SSD hard drive. That also changes the stop disk type. We'll save and close. The autoscale policy is updating. Once complete, let's manage the hosts. We get a warning that the current running disk differs from the configuration policy. This will also appear if the session host is stopped and the stopped OS disk differs from the autoscale policy. Now we get an alert when there's a configuration drift between the autoscale policy and running or stopped session host disks.